Hello and welcome to or back to Miss Crafts Lair. I am Barbie, and today I am here with day 5 of Vlogmas. Today was a busy day. It was my husband's day off, so we went out and did some shopping as a family and did that kind of stuff. And now that we're home, it's in the evening, sun has gone down. But I am working actually today on my hoodie. So I am currently sewing the arms on, and then I have a few stitches to do around the pocket. So I am going to be doing that until I get help with the tree because it's a newer tree and I'm not sure how to put it together, and I don't want to be the one to break it. So I am waiting for that. Until then, I have some seaming to do. Okay, so after quite a few hours of playing around and such, I am not used to seaming sleeves on as I had been. So, plus the first two times that I attached this sleeve, it was kind of tight around my chunky arms. So I ended up having to do it again twice. So I ended up, this is the third time's a charm. And so now I just need to sew down the arm seam on this one. I still have to do the entire sleeve on this side, but I'm tired. And now that I figured out how to properly do this one, I'm assuming that it shouldn't take too long for the other arm, the other sleeve. But I'm tired and I'm going to go to bed. So that was the day today. A lot of stuff that I wanted to get done today did not get done today, unfortunately. But it was a day with the family, just chillaxing and running errands and stuff. So we did get stuff done, just not a lot on camera. So I am going to go to bed, get up in the morning, edit and post this for tomorrow, and be up to more stuff. So until next time, bye.